Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 32.
Fun Math number 32. Alright, so yesterday we did a neat problem about counting the number of even divisors. And today we're going to do a problem about counting the divisors that are a multiple of 3. So find the number of divisors of 54 that are multiples of 3. Okay?
Well, we need to factor 54 first.
Okay, what does 54 equal?
Well, it's 6 times 9, which is 9 is 3 times 3, and 6 is 3 times 2. So it's 3 cubed times 2.
Okay, so write that.
It's 2 times 3 cubed.
Okay. 54 is 2 times 3 cubed. Okay, so we want to find what's the number of divisors of 54, by the way?
It's going to be 2 times 4, which is 8.
Okay, so there are 8 divisors of 54.
8 total.
Okay, how many of them are multiples of 3?
Well, we can just find the divisors. We just pull a 3 out of the factorization.
Okay.
So it's going to be 3 times the number of divisors of 2 times 3 squared.
Okay, so if we have a number that divides into 54, it has to be of the form 2 to the something times 3 to the something.
Yeah.
Where 2 to the something can be either 0 or 1, and 3 to the something can be 0, 1, 2, or 3. If it's going to be a multiple of 3, it means we have to have at least one 3. So we're left with being able to pick, we can either pick a 2 or not, and we have 3 choices of 3s. We can pick either 0, 1, or 2. So how many choices do we have?
We have 6.
2 choices for the 2.
Yeah. And 3 choices there.
Which is?
6.
6. Okay, so there are 6 divisors of 54 that are multiples of 3. That's pretty interesting. So most of the divisors, 6 out of the 8, are actually multiples of 3. Now let's real quick write down the divisors of 54. Can you make your little chart that you usually make? 54 is?
It's 1 and 54.
1 times 54.
2 and 27.
Yep. Remember there are 8 total, so you got 4 of them so far.
It's going to be 3 times, the prime factorization was, it's going to be 3 times 2 times 3 squared, which is 18.
Okay, 3 times 18.
And not 4.
Not 4.
Not 5.
Not 5.
6 and 9.
6 times 9. And we can actually stop there because we know there's only 8 of them, and we just wrote down 8. So, which ones are, we said there were 6 that are multiples of 3. Can you circle the ones that are multiples of 3?
There's 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54.
There you go. So only 1 and 2 were not multiples of 3. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Good job. That's a neat problem and a great solution. Good job today, honey.